Okay, so I'm going to take you now to King Street. Some very nice bread and okay, Domino's or Domino's pizza. This is the entrance to the Hammersmith station. Meanwhile, I'm going to take you on a walk with me in Hammersmith, in King Street. Before the pandemic I did a video here, walking in Hammersmith. It's great to be back. I won't be talking too much, hopefully. Only commenting every now and then. It's like a happy medium between talking and letting you hear the natural sounds of the place. Okay, so we're going to walk towards King Street. There's Holland and Barrett there and the Boots. Even in the shopping mall of the Hammersmith station you can find Boots. That's Boots Opticians. Subway. There's a Gostra coffee there. I had a nice mocha there. Let's cross from here. This is a new feature, the countdown when you're crossing the street. Some people like it, others not so much. Tells you how much time there is left to cross. I don't know, it's the first time I'm seeing it. Not a big fan of it. Forces people to rush. Might not be so good for elderly. Well, that's my thought about it. Nando's. You can get some very good chicken here. You like chicken? It's a place to go and eat. Today is Good Friday. So this is Good Friday in Hammersmith. I'm not going to eat chicken today because it's Good Friday. I don't do that. So it's probably some fish and some rice. Well, no meat. Okay, so I'm going to take you now to King Street. It was interesting to rewatch my old walking in Hammersmith video. There were Holland and Barrett, like I said before. Okay. Holland and Barrett, when you purchase stuff from them, it makes sense to have a membership. Even though you might not visit the UK often, get the membership card. You can always purchase online. Now they don't send to foreign countries anymore, but if you use a forwarding service like Send-On by Malta Post, you can receive their supplements and they're cheaper than in Malta. So it makes sense. This is Lyric Square. Very nice bread and okay, very nice. So today I had 2 hot cross buns for breakfast. I brought them with me from Malta because it's Good Friday. Here we have Marks and Spencer. H&M, Lidl. There's a bank if you need to withdraw money. There's someone asking for money also. Sometimes they are scammers, so you have to be careful. They have boots. Poundland, like the lira in Malta. TK Maxx. They have clothes and other things at cheap prices. So Superdrug, it's a bit like Boots with cheaper prices. I haven't been there yet. Here we have Wasabi, your Japanese style restaurant. We have it in Malta also. Starbucks, you're on Starbucks, that's access to the internet. You know, Starbucks is always a good way to get Wi-Fi when you are abroad. Hammersmith, that's a pub, I think. King of Trainers. Here we have Primark. You want find some clothes which aren't expensive. There's a place to try. Primark Beauty Studio. Okay. So this is King Street, W6. I think it's very good street for shopping. We need to do some shopping. You can find all sorts of shops. Thank you, thank you. Let the ambulance. I was going to let the ambulance pass, but I don't need to cross. Iceland. Which is a grocer, basically a grocer. Supermarket grocer. Savers, Health, Home and Beauty, Cancer Research, UK. There are Sink Food and Wine, Polish food. Here we have Taco Bell. Never been to Taco Bell. And Greg's. I've tried their food in Leicester Square. I've tried the pasty, it was very good. That's when I met the famous Chris Moyes. That's in another video. So now let's look a bit more. We have an organic supermarket, Istanbul. We have Little Vegas Casino. The oranges and all the vegetables. Holiday Inn Express. This is the restaurant. Basically, it's a Wetherspoon with Low and Harrow, and the hotel is inside here. I've been there last time I came to the UK. It's a good hotel. This time I'm a bit more central. I stayed more to the center. Of course, if you want to go to the center, then you have to travel all the time. But anyway, public transport is straightforward here. With Google Maps, it's very easy.
I need to talk to more people.
English deli and coffee shop, Dill and Co. We have Domino's here. Am I filming? Yes, I'm filming Domino's or Domino's Pizza. Here we have Eat Tokyo, coffee station, London Ladies Hair and Beauty Clinic, Amnesty Bookshop, and Pepe's Piri Piri. I think that's again chicken. The bus stop here. I'll try to finish this up. I think these are the main shops in the street. And barber shop. This is a nice barber shop, it seems. Reflexology, acupuncture, hairworks, beauty nails, funeral care. I guess that's important also. Post office, an old phone box. Iskamar, do-it-yourself projects.
Den Great Rift serja.